Hey there traders, this is Shane from tradingplan.com, and I came across something a while ago that I wanted to share with you. And as you know, when you're trading, one of the most important things to do is to do some back testing, is to make sure that whatever parameters you're using to get into a trade and to manage your trade, have in the past done well. Now we know that back testing is not really indicative of a successful future, but it's truly the only tool that we really have to gain an idea and an understanding of the strategy that you're trading. And also it is going to allow you that when you're trading and the setups that you're looking for show up on the charts, that you immediately recognize it and can take action. And one of the best ways to do that is automation. Now, I'm not talking automating your back testing. I'm talking where you actually go through the charts, set the trades up, and see how they perform. Now, granted, in some areas it's impossible to do. If you are the owner of a system or a strategy that you've purchased and you have absolutely no idea what the indicators are because they're they're proprietary, that's quite the word, well, then you're pretty much out of luck. Unless, of course, they can modify it for you to work with the software. Otherwise, if you're one of those traders who, for example, are a trendline trader, trading trendline breaks or bounces, or you use a combination of MACDs, stochastics, CCI, whatever you use, it doesn't really matter. If it can be put on a chart, for example, an MT4 chart, not including EAs, or a trade station chart, whatever chart, you can do the same thing with this. I just want to walk through a few things here. I'm going to show you. This is going to be the Euro US dollar. It's going to be a 1 hour time frame. And what I'm going to be looking for is reversal trades. I'm going to look for a break of a trend line. And when I get that break of a trend line, what I'm going to be looking for is a pullback. I'm going to sell the lowest low of that pullback with my stop above the high. Just go for a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. All right. And right now you see nothing on the screen. I'm going to press a button, which is going to be called Start Test, and you're going to see the chart start to move, and then I'm going to pause it when I see my setup down. Now we're going to be looking for some moves here. Market's moving down. This is an hour time frame as well. Okay, keep that in mind. Oh, nice move up here. Pull back. So we got one low we can look at. Going for a double top area. Yep, there she is. Let's get another spike down. Oh, there we go. All right, now trend lines can be drawn several different ways. One way you can also do it is the closest to price action, which if you think about it makes a lot of sense, right? Let's just go from here to here, right there. Now we're going to look for a break of this and a pullback. Right? Don't know when we're going to get that, but let's just see what happens. If it takes too long, I may pause the video. Oh, triple top, nice. I gotta have to extend this line. It kind of moved here a little bit. There we go. All right, let's go back to it. Let's wait it out. Oh, break. Now, here's the first candle, not to make. Makes a low. This candle moves up. Now these are hourly. It did not make a lower low, right? So this is where I'm gonna put my entry. So the entry price on this. Let's take a look at this. The low on this candle is 94.67. Okay, so let's sell at 90. What did I say? 94.67. So let's look at 94.65 for our sell. And we're going to put our stop up above this candle. Let's see here. And the high on this candle is 95.16. Okay, so let's get some digits in here. We're going to put a sell stop at 94.65. One low, we'll just use it this 94.65. We're going to put our stop at 95.16. All right, 0.95. Let's put the spread in there, so 18. And let's look at a 100 pip take profit. So we're going to look at 93.65 for our ultimate target. Okay, 93.65. Okay, let's place this order here. All right, see the lines here? I'm going to sell here. Take our profit here and go for stop loss here. All right, let's keep going forward. We're in the trade now. Still going, still going. Still hanging in. And, oh, there we go, right here. Out of this trade for 100 pips on this $97. All right, so we're just obviously looking for a buck a pip here on this one. This is pretty much how it goes. And what you would do, whatever strategy you're using, perhaps you're going to be looking for, let's just take a look at stochastics, for example. Let's just use the 533. And maybe what you're looking for here is, just a cross. Okay, let's say we've got this buy here, and let's say you're going to buy when you get a cross up on the stochastic. Let's just say, okay, look, we got a double bottom kind of area right here, I believe. Let's put a line here. Let me see here. Oh, not really, not even close. Okay, let's just pretend we do. Let's see what happens here. See if we get a cross up in here. There's our cross. Probably a little bit too quick here. You can always slow it down here with the speed up here. Then once again, you would do the exact same thing, okay? Perhaps you buy on the cross. Stop goes below the low here, right? Exact same way of doing it. So you can see actually, you could see the potential in this software right here. What else you get? Here's the, you actually just, this is back data. This goes back to 2001 in January. And you can see all the pairs that it covers. You can see it's still highlighted here. I took the Euro US dollar because a lot of people trade that. And it gave me data up to the 1st of July 2010. That's a ton of data. And that's included. Okay. You can download the demo on this. You get 3 pairs you can choose from. And you can download the data here. And it would work just like the full version, except you're going to have a few things that are obviously not available. Won't be able to save your projects, etc., etc. But it's going to give you a really great look of how this software works. And as you can see, you can spend a whole weekend deciding on a strategy, what you're going to trade. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what strategy you're trading. This one could have been, well, we've got our trend line breaks here. Maybe you're just looking for 1, 2, 3 reversal type candles, or even looking at swings that way. 1, 2, 3 reversals, right? Reversing off this low here. Maybe you're just looking for candle reversals, which is a totally valid way of trading. Actually, you can step back, which is great too. Let's see here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's step forward by 1 single bar. There's our cross. Okay, so let's say we're going to just buy a break of this candle here. This is hourly charts. Okay, so you got lots of time here. Hourly high 93.80. Let's go 93.85. 93, so we're going to look for here at 93.81, 93.45, and let's look for a swing level. Let's look 94.66. That's not bad, right? That's not a bad little trade. So let's look for 94.65, 94.50. Let's go for 94.50. Nice round number. Key level, 50 levels, right? We know that. So let's look for 94.50. So we're going to put in 94.50. And our stop loss, let's just put it below this low here, whatever it is. The low in this candle is going to be 93.66. So not a big risk, right? 93.66. Let's put it in play here. It's in play, and let's go back. We're in. See what happens here. Oh, there you go. There you go. 65 pips. I think it's like a 30 pip stop loss. Now your counts here. So you can see the power in this. I know you can. Okay. So let's wrap this video up. There's gonna be a link here. You want to click on this link and just check out the software. Download the free version and check it out. I'm sure you'll be pleasantly surprised. And there's a ton of training videos for you to get a good grasp of it. But I just basically walk you through everything you need to know, which is quite fantastic. All right. So take care.